Select evidence that illustrates a key concept, event, or individual. Let's say the question asks, which detail shows Mary's independence? First, we have to get a sense of what the paragraph is about as a whole, and then we have to figure out what each detail is telling us, so we can answer the question. Mary Kingsley was born in London in 1862. This gives us background information about Mary Kingsley and where she lived. She worked as a servant in her childhood. This tells me a bit about what Mary's young life was like. However, she was determined to achieve something more. She taught herself reading, Latin, German, physics, and chemistry. These details show me that Mary Kingsley had ambition for herself. She was willing to do what it took to learn new things. She particularly loved to read biographies of famous explorers. This is a detail that gives me more information about the sentence that came before. She acquainted herself with merchants, government officials, and missionaries until she was able to secure her own travels to West Africa. This shows me that Mary was unafraid to interact with new people and had goals of going far from where she started. When I look at the question again, it asks for the detail that best shows Mary's independence. I know that independence means being unafraid to do things on your own. I see two details that show me this based on my annotations. I see that she taught herself how to read without anyone else's help, showing her independence, and I also see that she secured her own travels to West Africa without anyone else's help. Both of these details show me that Mary was independent.